Namaste. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered about the true nature of our existence? What if I told you that humans are multidimensional beings existing simultaneously in various realms beyond our physical perception? Today, we dive deep into a fascinating perspective that blends ancient yogic wisdom with modern scientific theories, exploring the concept of aliens and higher dimensions. According to Yogi, humans are not confined to the physical realm. We inhabit multiple dimensions simultaneously, known as lokas, which can be thought of as layers of reality that extend beyond our tangible existence. Similarly, string theory, a modern scientific framework, proposes the existence of multiple dimensions beyond our familiar three-dimensional space, suggesting a universe far more complex than it appears. String theory introduces the concept of parallel worlds and parallel universes, indicating that our universe is interconnected in ways we are only beginning to understand. Now, let's consider aliens through this lens. They may not be beings from distant planets, but entities existing in these higher dimensions or lokas. Yogi says that we, as humans, we already inhabit these higher dimensions simultaneously. Though our awareness is primarily anchored in the physical realm, this concept of aligns with the yogic belief that we never truly die. Instead, we shed our physical body and continue our existence in higher dimensions as the aliens. This concept tells us that we are living as the aliens on higher dimensions for this physical world. Aliens might be entities that have mastered their existence across these dimensions, possessing a profound awareness of their higher dimensional selves, or primarily exist within these higher dimensions. They could have developed advanced technologies or spiritual practices that allow them to traverse and interact with various dimensions more freely than we typically can. Yogi also tells us that the universe, much like our planet, is in constant motion. At times, as during an eclipse, sometimes the universe aligns in such a way that it allows brief glimpses into higher dimensions. These fleeting moments provide us with a short view of these realms before they disappear from our sight. At that glimpse, we experience unusual things, and we told that might be aliens. The ultimate goal in yoga, achieving moksha, involves fully realizing and experiencing our higher dimensional existence. In this enlightened state, we transcend the cycle of birth and death, uniting with the Supreme Consciousness. Aliens, in this context, could be beings who have already achieved or are further along this path of enlightenment, existing primarily in higher dimensions and perhaps guiding or influencing the lower dimensions. Both humans and aliens are part of a vast interconnected universe, each on a journey towards greater awareness and enlightenment. This understanding encourages us to embrace a holistic view of life, transcending physical boundaries and exploring the infinite possibilities of the cosmos. Join us on this journey of discovery. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends to explore more fascinating insights into the nature of our universe. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you.